On this video today, I'm going to show you 5 websites that will pay you $10 to $100 or more per day for free for using your phone or your laptop. This is not a quick way to make money, but you can use this as a source of income to run ads for your affiliate products or your own products. The best part is that these websites are available wherever you are in the world. You don't need any skills to earn money on these websites that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about these websites. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first website that you can use to earn $10 to $100 per day is Rewardio. This website, they pay you to watch streams online. So if you are someone who like watching online streams, you can just sign up for an account and then watch the videos through this website so that you can be paid for the hours that you spend watching the videos. You can see right here, get paid to watch your favorite streamers that you already spend hours watching. So once you watch the videos, you are going to be earning money. You can earn money in the form of gift cards, cryptocurrencies, PayPal cash. So whatever way that you want to withdraw your money, you can just withdraw it on this website. When you come here, you can see they have about 242,307 registered members and they have earned $75,701. So what you have to do is that you have to also sign up for an account so that you can be watching streams on this website and then you are going to be paid. You can see you have to just sign up for an account using your email. So once you sign up for an account using your email, you are going to be watching streams, completing tasks such as playing games, taking surveys, referring friends. So once you perform all these tasks, you are going to be earning points. So once you earn the points, you can convert them to gift cards, PayPal cash, cryptocurrencies, whatever reward that you want. You can just exchange your points for that reward and you are going to be paid. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that just come right here, click on register so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you register, you can start earning money on this website. So you don't need any skills to do it. You don't need to invest any money. What you just need is to watch the videos and you are going to be earning money. The next website that you can use to earn $10 to $100 is RewardWays. This website, they pay you to do a lot of different tasks so that you can be earning money. You can see right here, you can receive your payment within 24 hours. So once you earn today, you are going to be paid today. If you get your payment, you can use it to run ads for affiliate products on ClickBank or Digistore24 so that you can be making big money every day. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So just click right here, join, so that you can get your free accounts. Once you register, you can see these are the ways that you can use to earn money on this website. You can see right here, you're going to be completing surveys, online offers. So once you earn, you can redeem your earning through PayPal cash, Bitcoin, Skrill, and you can get paid the same day. You can also watch videos to earn points on this website. As you can see it right here, you can also take part in trials. You can answer survey questions, play online games. So once you perform all these tasks, you are going to be making money on this website. So as I said earlier on, you can receive your payment in the form of PayPal gift card, Tango gift card, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card, and then many more. So once you earn, there are many ways that you can use to withdraw your money on this website. If PayPal is not allowed in your country, you can use the other methods to receive your money on this website. So the next website that will pay you $10 to $100 per day is TryMyUI. This website, they pay you to test websites and applications. You can see right here, some of the tests will last up to 20 minutes. So once you are able to complete a 20 minutes test, you are going to be earning up to $10, as you can see it right here. So you are going to be earning up to $10 per test. So what you have to do is that you have to just record a video and you are going to be narrating in the video your feelings about the website. So if the website is no good, you are going to say it. If it is good, you are going to say it. So once you are able to complete the test, you are going to be paid on this website for free. You don't need any skills to do it. You only need your phone and then your voice, and you are going to be earning money on this website. The fourth website that will pay you $10 to $100 per day is ForApp.com. This website, they pay you to take pictures and videos. So what you have to do is that you have to use your phone to record a video or to take a photo of something that you have seen in your environment. So once you take the video or the photo, you are going to upload it onto this website. If you upload your photo or your video onto this website, so once a brand or an agency buys your photo or video, you are going to earn 50% of the price, and then this website will also take 50% of the profit. So what you have to do is that you have to take photos of different things that you've seen in your environment. So if they are good, just upload them onto this website. Once you upload them, you can get people to purchase them, and you are going to be earning money from home just by using your mobile phone. So that is how it works. You don't need any skills to do it. What you need to do is that you have to just take your phone, record a video of something that you have seen, or you can just take a picture of it. Once that is done, you are going to upload it. As you can see right here, you can upload multiple videos and pictures. So once you upload them, you are going to get people to purchase them for you to earn money. So make sure you come here, just click on download. Once you click on download, you are going to select the device that you use. So once you select your device, just download the app onto your phone so that you can be using it to make money just by recording videos and then taking pictures. The fifth website that will pay you $10 to $100 is the Forumwill.com. This website, they pay you to post comments on different forums. As you can see right here, are you a writer? Earning money online can often require difficult and tedious work. You can spend hours writing articles and completing surveys that only earn a few dollars. Well, say goodbye to all of that. With the Forumwill, you can earn money by simply posting in online communities. There are no strict requirements, and you can cash in your earning at any time. The more you post, the more you earn. There are a lot of different forums that you can just post your comments on this website. So once you post, you are going to be paid per every post that you make. So when you come here, you just click on forums, and you can find different forums that you can submit your post and then get paid on this website. Once you click on forums, you can see there are many of them that you can post your comments and you are going to be paid. The good thing is that people submit their forums onto this website daily, so you are going to be getting different forums that you can just post your comments and then make money. You can see these are all forums that you can post your comments and you are going to be paid. You can see this one right here. You can make unlimited posts and you are going to be making money daily on this website. If you want a specific category, you can just come here, select the category that you want. You can see science and technology, computers and programming, internet and webmasters, entertainment, gaming, arts, business, education, politics and society. When you scroll, you can see many more: news and information, family and relationship, health and fitness, philosophy and spirituality. If you don't speak English, you can just click on not English and you are going to select the appropriate language that you understand. So once that is done, you are going to be posting different comments onto this website so that you can get paid. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.